Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing agedashi tofu. It's a classic side dish featuring deep fried tofu in a savory dashi broth. You will love this one if you are searching for a flavorful tofu dish. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 1/2 block of farm tofu, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, vegetable oil. For the dashi soup, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of dashi powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin. For the toppings, 1 clove of ginger, 1 scallion. Step 1. Wrap a block of tofu with paper towels and press it to remove excess water for 5 minutes. Afterward, discard the damp paper towels and cut the tofu into 6 equal pieces. Step 2. Combine dashi powder, mirin, soy sauce, and water in a saucepan. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then remove it from heat. Step 3. Grate fresh ginger, finely chopped scallions, and set them aside for later. Step 4. Cover each piece of tofu with rice flour, ensuring an even coating. Shake off any excess flour. Step 5. Heat vegetable oil in a frying pan. Carefully place the tofu pieces into the hot oil and let them fry until they turn crispy. Step 6. Flip them over to ensure both sides get that nice crispness. Once they are done, transfer the tofu to a wire rack to let any excess oil drain off. Arrange the deep-fried tofu in a serving bowl, topping them with chopped scallion and grated ginger. Pour the hot dashi soup over the tofu. I hope you enjoyed this crispy tofu with the rich, savory dashi soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.